guys, Sword Beast here with another video. I'm sorry about I didn't post any videos on YouTube. I was kind of out of storage. Couldn't make any more videos because of my dad or something. This update came on our phone, all that stuff, and I just did something secret that, well, I didn't do anything secret, but I was out of storage. I had to delete a couple of pictures. I got this gun here that I didn't show you. You can see, I taped it. Yeah. So let's start with this gun. So, if you want to load it, here's how you do it. You do that. And how long the arm is. See, you can make it in the ring. You want, there's this orange button here. You can make it little, but it might go back. See, it might go back on you. If you want to take this off, here's how you do it. You press a button. That one, right there. Next video, I might show you some pictures of my pool or something. It's like warm up there. It's wet. We had rain. Okay, that's it about this gun. If you guys can hear, we got the demolisher, and this gun carries 10 volts. You can get a different mag, like you can get a different mag at Target, like this. I got that this demolisher from our Target. I got this from Target with 18 bolts with it. Yeah, and there's an extension that goes like this, but I want it off because it makes it heavy. And I don't like the aim of it. I just want to buy a telescope, put it up on there. Tape. Because there's no aim. I think you have to aim from here. So you see, the trigger's locked. You have to press this button, and then it's not locked. And you have to press this to take the mag out. I got this Nerf gun, not mine, it's my brother's. There's nothing about it, but it has a laser, but it's broken. And here's how you load. Done, shoot it. And maybe I might get my sniper, but I have to go down there. Get it maybe next episode. I might show you about one of my, well, this only has one thing about it, well, two. So it has a handle, and the bolts go in here, but I lost it in here. I'm gonna get some light. Where? Oh. Like right. You see that hole right in there? And it does flash too when you press the trigger. It's supposed to make a noise. If you want to make a different noise, you have to shake it around so you can hear this like pop everywhere. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment, subscribe, and smack that like button. Peace out, beast.